Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the Honda Accord 2023. Watch the video until it's finished so you know what's being upgraded on the Honda Accord 2023 car. Continue to support the Supercar channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and tapping the bell so you get other latest car videos. They say good things come to those who wait. Well, if you can wait until early 2023, then you won't be disappointed when the 11th generation Honda Accord rolls off the production line. The best-selling car in the United States since the 70s, the Accord will come in 6 different trim levels, all offering the classy exterior styling it is known for. It will have a minimalist design and be slightly longer, 2.8 inches, than last year, and along with new advanced technology in the cabin, the Accord promises to keep Honda owners happy for years to come. This latest version of the Accord will have you thanking yourself every day that you didn't pull the trigger prematurely on a purchase you'll no doubt regret. Let's talk about styling, which is completely safe, but a big change when compared to the previous model. When you look at the nose of the car, you see how narrow and sharp the front end is. The LED headlamps, which have fog lamps installed, are hidden between the bonnet and the bumper, which give off the strong vibes of the fierce-looking triangular effect grille. This new look that Honda has taken, coupled with the technology they can do, is why you should hold off on buying anything in the mid-size sedan segment other than the Accord. Agree that design is subjective, but the new Accord does look a lot more appealing now, especially when compared to the competition, and it couldn't hurt to wait. The front grille also has 5 horizontal stripes and a large Honda badge emblazoned in the center. The parking sensors are located under the headlights, and at the bottom of the bumper there are 2 air vents that serve to keep the engine cool. There are slight indentations, or sometimes called character lines, all over the vehicle body, which are smooth but give the impression of motion and make this car look sexy. This fastback design goes to the rear integrated spoiler and makes it look faster than it really is. Honda did something new with their cars that not many other car manufacturers have been able to do. They have started doing a process called laser brazing. Laser soldering is a new technology that eliminates the need for roof molding on the top of the car and ensures that the roof remains smooth and slick. It will also provide a tight, leak-proof seal, so even if the Accord isn't equipped with a panoramic roof, the sunroof will still be water-free, provided you seal it first. The 2023 Accord also features taillights, which accentuate the wide look of the car and run from the back of the quarter panel to the center of the trunk and lead to a small Honda badge. Under the smaller badge is the parking sensor, which has become a necessity for many new drivers. If you like bigger rims, then go for the Sport, Sport L, or Touring models, as they will have 19-inch wheels. The others will only come with 17. On the hybrid model, there will be no visible exhaust, just one pipe underneath that no one can see, and keeps the rear bumper smooth and clean. The Accord LX and EX trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels via a CVT. Like the previous generation Accord, the 2023 model doesn't offer all-wheel drive. The hybrid powertrain takes a more prominent position in the lineup. It consists of a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and two electric motors combined for 204 horsepower, and it's the only powertrain offered on the Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring models. Like its exterior, the Accord's cabin sports a streamlined design with elements borrowed from the latest new Honda that aid its identification with the family's DNA. HVAC air vents, for example, a bed behind the honeycomb overlay, a smart design element also found on the new Civic and the CR-V SUV. Honda says it has redesigned the Accord's front seats to support the torso more firmly and carefully shaped the trunk to accommodate up to 16.7 cubic feet of cargo. While the LX, EX, and Sport trims come with cloth upholstery, the others come in leather. At the front of the spacious Accord there's plenty of legroom and head height for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel had good range of motion and had no issues turning, even for those over 6 feet. The driver can stare at the luminous 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster which changes the information displayed depending on the powertrain. The size of the infotainment screen that Honda calls will depend on the trim level purchased. Infotainment and connectivity. A 7.0 or 12.3-inch upright touchscreen display provides easy access to the Accord's infotainment system, and all models, regardless of trim, come standard with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across the lineup, but only those with the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen offer wireless connectivity for those features. The high-end Touring trim is equipped with a wireless smartphone charging pad, a 6.0-inch head-up display, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. Cargo capacity is the largest they have ever offered with 16.7 cubic feet of space. Now you can let him take that extra bag on road trips without worry. Lower trims will have a smaller 7-inch screen to try to navigate. Safety features will become standard, giving Accord owners an extra sense of security and courage, depending on how they are feeling that day. The much-anticipated 2023 Honda Accord will come with lane assist, blind spot warning for those who refuse to turn their necks, and low-speed cruise control. 10 new knee airbags and rear passenger side airbags that will protect everyone in the car. It will also have a new traffic jam assist feature that measures the speed of nearby vehicles when adaptive cruise control is engaged. The 2023 Accord also features taillights which accentuate the wide look of the car and run from the back of the quarter panel to the center of the trunk and lead to a small Honda badge. Under the smaller badge is the parking sensor, which has become a necessity for many new drivers. If you like bigger rims, then go for the Sport, Sport L, or Touring models, as they will have 19-inch wheels. The others will only come with 17. On the hybrid model, there will be no visible exhaust, just one pipe underneath that no one can see, and keeps the rear bumper smooth and clean. Safety and driver assistance features. All Accords come standard with a suite of driver assistance technologies called Honda Sensing. The feature set includes the basics such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, as well as convenience functions such as adaptive cruise control and traffic sign recognition. Key safety features include standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane maintenance assistance, standard adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Honda's warranty coverage is adequate but falls short of the class-leading coverage period provided by Hyundai, while the Chevrolet Malibu and Toyota Camry stand out in this class by offering free scheduled maintenance. The limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No free scheduled maintenance. How much does the 2023 Honda Accord cost? Until now, the manufacturer with the H logo has not provided detailed information. However, the range is from $28,000 to $41,000 in the United States. So if you're impatient and feel like you need to buy a sedan right now without waiting to at least see or test the Accord, then nothing is helping you, and you have every right to waste your money on an inferior vehicle. But the Accord, Honda's complete makeover, really makes it worth the wait.